Hi, good day to everyone. Today in my video is about the solder pump. So solder pump are used to remove the lead in the circuits. Here is the most important part of this solder pump. We have to use a good one without melting hot. So we need to use a good solder pump when we work in the circuits. The next thing is something important. Now check it, the air is going well in the solder pump. Look at it here. Tight the finger this way. This is the slowdown of this. You can see here this way. So it can be seen that it is good. The next thing is, and the front part may be stuck. So before use this, we need to check this section. You have to confirm lead is stuck of this. So we can easily remove lead in the circuit. I will show you how to do it. Will be better if a solder paste is going. The soldering iron is first this way. After you can operate solder pump. A big solder point need to keep the soldering iron. The solder pump, put it this way. So this way we can remove lead. You can practice use to this from an old circuits. So we meet again from next video. Thank you all.